Good morning, students of grade 3rd. I am your English teacher Khushida Dij, and today we will continue with week 2, day 1. For that, first of all, write today's date as I have mentioned. Okay, this is your classwork, so mention it as CW. Okay, let us continue. Sentence analysis is there. First of all, you have to punctuate the sentence. Punctuation means you have to give the capital letter, and at last you have to give a full stop. The sentence is like, a pile of books was put on the table along with the batch of cookies. Pile of books मतलब pile is the collective noun. बहुत सारी books जो थी was put on the table. कहाँ रखी हुई थी? Along on the table. टेबल के ऊपर रखी हुई थी. Along with the किसके साथ? With the bunch of cookies. Along with मतलब किसी के साथ. Okay, we are using it as किसी के साथ. The batch of cookies. Batch of cookies is also, the batch is also collective noun. So here बहुत सारी cookies जो रखी हुई थी उनके साथ pile of books भी रखी हुई थी. कहाँ? On the table. So here you can see, here you have to fill this table one by one. Proper noun, no proper noun is there. किसी का भी proper special name not given. So cross mark. Common noun you have to write. Books common noun है, yes. Table common noun है, yes. Cookies common noun है, yes. You have written like this. Collective noun. Here, which collective noun? Earlier also I have mentioned. Pile and batch. Both words are what? Collective noun. So I have written here as it is. Article. A and or the होता है. उसमें से यहाँ कौन सा? A, the. So I have written it as it is here. Verb type. अब verb कौन सी है यहाँ पे? Put. Was put. तो main verb is put. So I have written as put. टेंस कौन सा है? अब पुट है पर पता नहीं चल रहा कौन सा टेंस है. प्रेजेंट है, पास्ट है, फ्यूचर है. बट बिफोर दैट देयर इज एन हेल्पिंग वर्ब was. So with the was you are able to get to know that it is what? Past tense. is, am, are तो प्रेजेंट में होता है. was और verb पास्ट में होता है. So it is past tense. Adjective, no adjective, cross mark. Pronoun, no pronoun, cross mark. Preposition. Preposition is the word that shows the place, time, something like that. With किसी के साथ है with. ठीक है. Off is also there. On किसके ऊपर है? On. ठीक है. These are the words that show prepositions. So I have mentioned here at with, off and on. Conjunction, no joining word is there, so it is cross mark. Here you can write all the answers likewise I have written. Okay, you have to give proper numbering to each and every answer. Question 1 is like, add adjective to show. You have to add adjective. Smell, taste, condition, कुछ भी आप show कर सकते हो. ठीक है. तो I'll mention cookies. कैसे cookies है? Tasty cookies है. तो tasty cookies I have written. Okay, tasty cookies. So quality I have mentioned. So tasty cookies. Say whether the sentence. अब ये sentence statement है, question है या surprise है. Question mark we have not used, so question तो है ही नहीं. Exclamation mark also we have not used, so ये surprise भी नहीं. This is a full stop question. This is a statement. So ये क्या है? एक statement. मैंने underline कर दिया. Okay, and I have ticked it. Change the tense to other tenses. Tenses like was put. Was put tense है ना? So was put की जगह is put लगा दो, will put लगा दो, तो you will be able to change the other tenses. is आ गया तो is put आ गया तो present tense हो गया. will put आ गया तो future tense हो गया. Okay, got it? Now you have to write the collective nouns for papers and clothes. I have mentioned here. Number 4 answer is ream of papers. कैसे papers? Ream of papers. And pile of clothes. अब ये collective noun हमने papers और clothes के लिए use कर लिया. Okay, got it clearly? Understand it well and then do the week 2 day 2 as your homework. Okay, this is your homework. Do it properly, understand it well. Thank you.